What's going on? Y'all see I'm back with another video. Y'all see where we at? Y'all see where we at? Yeah. So look, check this. I know it's been a minute. Y'all got to bear with me, but after I think my next video, or maybe after this one, I'm gonna have to give y'all like a walkthrough on what took place and why I haven't been posting. It's nothing bad. It's actually all good things. You know what I'm saying? But the car waiting on all the parts, so the car will be running soon. I know from my last video I know what I said, but I had a change of plans, which I made a great decision. But right now y'all see we in my lovely, this is fresh air, this is I love it. I love the Junkyard. But what we here getting, firstly I'm gonna show y'all the car, because y'all gonna be confused, then I'm be like, I'm gonna give y'all what I'm here for, you know. But look, y'all thinking like, why is this man getting a part off of Nissan? So the reason I'm getting part off of Nissan is because of this. Y'all see what this is? It's a power steering pump. So if y'all been following me, I deleted a lot of things off my car, to the pulleys, air compressor, so it's only really like a few pulleys on my car, because I want all the horsepower, I need all the smoke, you feel me? So this, somebody was crazy, y'all. I had met somebody in the store. We was talking about cars, talking about a bill. He was like, hey, I was like, yeah, I got to get this pump, and it's gonna be over $200. He was like, hey, have you tried this pump from this car? I ain't gonna tell y'all the car just yet. I'm gonna wait, because I don't want to tell y'all and it don't work. So I'm gonna try it out first. So yeah, he was like, get it off this car, you know, boom, boom, boom. So I did a power steering delete on my Camaro, because I did not want that ugly power steering on my car, pulling, doing all that crazy stuff. So this is an electric pump, and it is cheap. Can't get y'all, you know what I'm saying, where I'm getting my stuff from, because I'm actually gonna be selling these too, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, y'all, so what I'm about to do, I'm gonna snatch this off, inspect it. I might test it today, actually. I don't know yet, so don't quote me on it. I do got a lot of parts. I'm gonna take y'all to where I got my car at, and I'm gonna give y'all like a small little rundown, because I don't want the video be too long, because I know I probably won't be putting on parts today, because I'm actually going on vacation. You know what I mean? You know, with my you know what I mean? But y'all just tune in, you know what I'm saying, and watch the process. So y'all already know where the famous spot. We at the famous spot, you know. This how much it's done. It's really the same, but not really. I got everything dang there to complete the motor. Only thing I'm missing is my push rods. I had to get them custom made, so those are on the way. And this is my parts bin. Let me, hold on. This is my parts bin. I guess y'all can watch me. I got my oil, my belt. I had to get a custom belt. Yeah, this I'm gonna move this. This go for that. Got that. Hopefully y'all can see. Don't need that. Trash. Let's see. Yep, I got everything. Bell housing. We're gonna do a parts opening up video, like an unpackaging, basically. That's probably gonna be the next video. So my filter. So I'm only going with this and this oil just for the break-in. After I do that, then I'm gonna hit it with the, you know what I'm saying, the racing. I'm royal purple this car for its whole life. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's how she looking. Y'all see I got the harness ran already. Can't see nothing, y'all, my bad. Jesus, it's raining bad. Ah, the luck. Y'all see I got my alternator. I painted that. I'm gonna have the bottom mount, actually. So I have a bottom mount alternator. I think, I don't even know what size hole this is. Might need like a little reducer. Well, how many pins? That's 3 pin. That's for the alternator. This is the 3 pin, and this, what that is? Oh, this is for the throttle. don't know what that is. We'll see. Oh, I did get it. Yep, with the connector. I don't know how and where I'm gonna mount this. Yeah, I needed these, y'all, so I can plug off of those. So I'm gonna set this to the side. I don't know how I'm gonna do this part yet. I could really just set that here. Well, y'all, that's really it for real. I guess on the next video when I do my unboxing, after I, you know, explain everything I got, then I kind of run y'all down on what's been taking so long. You know what I'm saying? Just a little story time while I do the unboxing video. But yeah, that's really it for the video, man. Y'all just went with me for a little bit to get a part. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna put it on this side or that side. 9 times out of 10, put it on that one because I already got a hole right there. So I'm gonna just bounce it down a little bit. So this part, so that part could be facing up. Yeah, I think that'll be the best side. Yeah, I got a whole lot of room right there. Then, you know, from the power ad I'm gonna be running, I am gonna have an intercooler, and I need this spot open. I think I'm gonna have everything ran different, so the intercooler be right here, so it can go straight to the cooler. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably running two. The pump for the cooler to run through a cooler with a, man, I got it all figured out. Trust me. Y'all just bear with me. No, it took a little minute, but it's here. It's happening. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I wasn't gonna show y'all this. Y'all see. But, oh, that's the trans. Oh yeah, I ain't even show y'all half of this stuff. Yep, I went ahead and redid my transmission. It looked horrible. I'll probably do like a before and after in my bell housing. Not this one, but this one. Yep, painted all that, man. This stuff coming out amazing, y'all. But got to show y'all this beforehand.